I would fuck the absolute living daylights out of a shy gal. The fact that she doesn't remove her masks makes me harder than a goddamn motorbike. My fucking cock oozes pre-cum to the thought I could cum on that mask, and she would have to clean it off before it stains and keeps a stick of my baby batter. I dream about using my cock pump on her, making her squeal with pleasure and finger all her orifices. Honestly, leave me in a room with one, and my legs are going to be broken from becoming a human piston and ruining her internal organs.